Here's the brand new Growing for Market magazine office. So we can move it out of my farmhouse over there. It's got 20 solar panels on it, and from the looks of it, it's cranking out the power right now.
All right, so what are we generating?
We are, I can't tell how much. We've generated 44.5 kilowatts so far today. So it's been a pretty sunny day. So that's great. If that's about, how much are we doing right? I haven't had this long enough to tell you how much power is coming out of it right now, but so far today we've produced 44.5 kilowatt hours, which my app tells me is enough to run a 100-watt light bulb for 37 nights.